Karachi to Rotterdam. Every container has a story, and now blockchain can tell it.
From every shore to every dream, this is our voice, the shipper's team.
In the world of shipping, trust and timing mean everything. But when cargo passes through 10 ports and 5 agents, papers can get lost, and data can be tampered with. That's where blockchain steps in, bringing digital transparency to the oceans.
Rising voices, tides in motion, the shippers brings the ocean emotion.
Think of blockchain as a shared digital logbook. Once a record is written, it cannot be changed or deleted. Each container, bill of lading, and customs form becomes a verified block, sealed and traceable. Global giants like Maersk and IBM tested this idea through a system called TradeLens. It allowed ports, shippers, and customs to see the same real-time data, reducing fraud, delays, and paperwork by almost 40%. For countries like Pakistan, this technology could transform port operations. Faster clearances, less corruption, and higher investor confidence. Imagine Karachi Port Trust and Port Qasim running on transparent smart contracts. Blockchain also means safety. No one can fake cargo origin or duplicate documents. Insurance companies, freight forwarders, and customs all share one trusted version of truth. The future of maritime trade is not only about ships and cranes, it's about data that sails with honesty. This is the new Dunya Samandar, powered by blockchain and the shippers.